Hi guys, hope everybody's doing well. Well, I came out here, I want to barbecue up some chicken, but I also want to make some chunks of hardwood for the barbecue. So I decided to test the RangerGrip 61 by Victorinox, the saw, see how that works. First, let's take a look at the deck of doom that I was telling you about in the last video. You'll see the top piece is particle board, but the rest seems to be a solid wood here. So as this piece is caving in, I'm going to replace it. I didn't get to the hardware store yet, but you can see it's caving in. But we're going to bang on it a little bit more because I want to make some smaller pieces before we start cutting. I've never used the saw on the RangerGrip. Oops. So first let's make a couple small pieces. Here in this pocket I have the Wright Bushbaby. So let's see if we, man, that guy is terrible. Let's see if we can split a little bit of wood. And then we'll make some briquettes. I need a rolling pin with some more ass behind it. Let's see how, man, that's a comfortable knife. So glad I picked this up. So we got that. I'll put that back in the sheath for a minute. Got the fire starter. We'll start the barbecue with that. Now the Victorinox RangerGrip 61 in OD green. With the saw, let's see what we can do here. Found a good spot to start it. Of course, that's not working out good. Let's go this way. There we go. Can you guys hear that terrible drummer? Man, imagine having to live next to that. Of course, there's an easy way. Just going to get my Heinz custom Bowie. There we go. There's one. Let's do another one, then I'll get the Bowie out. Of course, my strength ain't up. Alright, already gassed out. Let's thought it'd be a lot easier, you guys. Man, that's some hard wood. But anyway, it will cut. We'll put them pieces in there. So I'd imagine it's much better on green branches than hardwood. But now I want to check. Let's move this over here. My last video was too long, so I'm trying to make it a little shorter. Let's see if we can start the charcoals, because I'm getting hungry. With the new fire steel. How do you think it looks? Curly birch. There we go. It's not a Fatwood Friday, but it's a barbecue Friday, or a flaming Friday. So there you guys go. Till next time, take care. Peace. Bye-bye.